Slides will provide you with a summary of some key analysis features from the Discover dashboard, including overview statistics, word cloud, top thoughts, any themes that you've created, differences, and some examples of thoughts within your themes or difference analyses. Using the buttons built directly into slides, leaders can update the information that's being displayed in their presentation, choose to hide different slides from their presentation, or add them back in if they wish. Leaders can also customize the data being displayed on different slides by selecting different theme sets, choosing different thoughts to display in their top thoughts report, and a number of other different customization features. You can even edit the text on your wrap-up slide if you wish. Once you've got your presentation just how you like it, you can click the Export button to generate a PowerPoint file that you can present offline, or you can present directly from the Discover dashboard using the handy Present button here. If you have any questions about this or any other features on the Discover dashboard, you can click the Help widget right here in the top right-hand corner. Here you can find lots of information and articles that include details about how the different features work, as well as video walkthroughs. You can even submit questions to our support team using the Contact Us form. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to check out our help site at get.thoughtexchange.help, or you can also reach out to our support team directly at help@thoughtexchange.com. We hope you found this video useful. Until next time, happy thought exchanging.